Hi, welcome to Fratello InnoTech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone. In this session, I'm going to explain about projection. In MongoDB, projection means choosing the fields. So choosing the fields to include or exclude when retrieving the data from a collection. So here, when we have query data, so you may not need all fields every time. So projection helps return only the required fields. So here you can see that. So projection in MongoDB controls which fields are returned in query results. So it is specified as the second argument in the find method. So it is also related to the reading the data. So when we are using one, it included a field. So when we are using 0, so it excludes that field. So by default, ID is always included unless explicitly excluded. So we cannot mix inclusion and exclusion in the same projection. So except ID. So projection reduces the size of query results and improving the performance. It helps application fetch only the necessary data instead of entire document. So advanced operators like slice and element match allow selective array projection. So projection is especially useful when document have many fields. So it makes queries more efficient and readable and tailored to the application needs. So we have syntax db.student.find. So here we have flower braces. So it includes all fields. So it matches to the all fields and so name here we have defined one and college defined one. So when we are using one, it includes the field. So when we are using 0 here, so it excludes the fields. Suppose if you are giving 0 for the name, so it excludes the field name. So we cannot mix inclusion and exclusion in the same projection. So for example, so when you define 1 for the name and if you define 0 for the college, it will not accept. So it will show the error. So we cannot include, so we cannot mix it both. So now I am going to show you practically how projection will work in MongoDB. So I am connecting in command prompt. So here I have connected in a command prompt. So use show DBs. It shows all databases in the database list. So just use any database. So I'm taking college DB. See that so show collections you have to use. It will show how many collections in the collection list. So here we have only one collection, student collection. So just retrieve the document further. db dot collection name you have to give. So then use find. So see that here we have three documents in the student collection. Name, age, college, status we have. So now I'm using the projection for this collection. So db dot, so give the collection name, student. So we are using projection with the find. So flower braces. So now I'm including college and name I'm including. Suppose if it is in the list, then so it will display, otherwise not. So name 1 I am giving, then enter. So see that. So we have defined that one for the college and one for the name. See that name and college is in the list. So it has displayed that. So for example, I am giving unknown field db dot student dot find. So here I am taking college 1 So I am taking email column, unknown field. So I am taking. So I am including unknown field in this find method. So then close parenthesis, then enter. So see that? So it includes only college. So unknown column email. So it did not. So it will not including that. So this is all about projection. So if you want to retrieve required field from the collection, so you have to use this projection. So remaining we'll discuss in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.